Just a video just showing Raspberry Pi playing over Ethernet, just to compare to performance over USB and then Wi-Fi. So this is about 1 GB file. So 1080p, it's Yiffy, so it is sort of compressed, about 1 GB big, so it's pretty good, really good quality. Just setting up a Wi-Fi dongle to use instead of the Ethernet. So it's just through the settings in Xbian really. System settings, then you're looking for a place where you can change the network interface from Ethernet to WLAN. So this is the Wi-Fi USB Wi-Fi dongle I've got. I mean, I've just got that one because I know it'll work well, but you could probably use lots of other ones, but that one's sort of recommended because it's low power and it works very well with the Raspberry Pi, and it'll work on I think I said it's work up to N, so B, G and N, so up to about, I think, 150 megabytes per second or megabits per second. So it should be quite easy. I'll just set in here, I'll choose my SSID, password, etc. So this is the same film as started out. It's about 1 GB Yiffy 1080p film playing over Wi-Fi dongle over, I guess it's N, so that's 150 megabits per second. So it's not the fastest dongle you can get, might be the fastest you can get for the Raspberry Pi, but that's the kind of Farnell Element 14 Wi-Fi, so it comes in a box like that. You can probably get other dongles, but I know that one's sort of recommended by the Foundation, Raspberry Pi Foundation. It's playing it alright, yeah, no probs. This one's the 2.5 GB 720p video file, which is a bit blurry on here, but it's playing fine. Now this is the approximately 4 GB file. So I think, looking at it, it might have reached its sort of limit on the Wi-Fi front. It's about a 4 GB file, that one. Still playing alright. It could just be it smoothed itself out a bit.
This is a mythical creature called a hippo. And it's incredibly fast because it has 2, 3, 4, 5 legs. We have the same mark.
Yeah, a bit of stutter there.
I need to see this to know. I felt it.
About 6 gigs. This file, 6 GB. So I think it's just the pure amount of data that's got to pass through the Wi-Fi dongle from the router. It's just too much, basically. It's just the data throughput's too much for it. So this is just trying out some videos off a USB stick. So I haven't got any network ports or Wi-Fi dongles plugged in there. So let's just see what it looks like. Now, this is another film. It's again Yiffy. I think it's 1080p, this one. So it's about 1 GB big, and again playing off USB stick. This one's about 2 GB big, playing off the USB stick.
Sonny is conducting his own personal assault on our senses.
This one is a massive. It's the 6 GB file. So far this is really has tested Ethernet and Wi-Fi dongle, but this is just off USB stick, and it seems to be playing okay. So that's about a 6 GB file. Again, it can manage that data throughput quite happily by the look of it. Now, I've just tried out a different USB stick, just a very simple Intenso one from Maplin, I should think. Now, it's a bit of a palaver to set up new USB sticks. Probably someone out there knows a better way of doing this, but the way I tend to do it, you can see I sort of pile them up here. Just add files, browse. You go and find your USB stick somewhere in here. There it is. 140D, and press the left arrow, choose OK, and that'll do for name. So it's 140D. There it is there. So I pile up the load there. I need to clear them out. It's probably a better way to do it, but that's how you add a USB stick once you plugged it in. So let's go for that 1GB Yiffy file again, just to test a sort of a very bog standard USB stick. Just fast forward a bit. Yes, into playing alright, yeah. So that's a 1GB file. No problems there.